I see that you know. I see her. This Nigeria does cow.
It's only the person who will not see.
You should say today no be lockdown.
Nah, I don't know.
Person supposed to take chop on at least money where person go take drink and cap. Now wow. Oh boy, you see that small boy?
Nah, I see him.
Nah, I got for that boy yo.
I got for you.
Now we go for that guy yo. May see where that person go get money chop. Any amount to where that guy hold we go for that. Why the waka like say na your father get this road? Na your father build this road? Wetin you carry there?
I'm not carrying anything.
Oversee this one though. Nah, you know say person never talk this. You say you no carry anything. You know say na police checkpoint you dey. You dey police checkpoint you dey waka as if say you dey. This thing wey dey here no be you. Come on, wait till there. Oh boy, check this man. This man go carry money. Check am well, check am. I don't see one sef. Wait, I go if I shoot you. Hey, oh boy, na 20 naira this man. How much you get there? 20 naira. Wait. Come here, you don't carry money. Come here.
You don't carry my 40 naira. You don't carry my 40 naira.
Come on.
I will go my brother for you.
You will call your brother. Who be your brother?
My brother.
I mean, no be anything. I mean, police. But na 20 naira this guy carry for. No, that small boy self. He's supposed to carry 1,000.
I know. What you think this will no only people who use this in by self.
Nah, at least that one today no carry like that.
Like say.
No, they wait for another person. Today, even cockroach pass here, I go duff cockroach. I go flush cockroach.
I was collect them now.
I'm a flush cockroach.
If the 15 I said me get, I was collect them.
Who do you?
Now this police people they check for a stake point, they take my money.
I'll move the go there. I don't get it.
Jesus!
No, I see them.
Who? See my guy here.
You don't see him. You don't say we drink up.
Okay, no, let me leave your guy. See your guy here. Hey, Jesus! What you? See my guy. Let me leave your guy. Let me leave your guy.
Who be your guy here?
Jesus!
Okay.